Worth It by Mark. It's Mark from Worth It Repairs by Mark, and today we're not repairing something, we're actually unboxing this, the Legion Lenovo Gaming laptop. I gotta get it opened here. I need something sharp to open it up with, of course. Break the seal here. Alright. I guess when I open this, I should pledge allegiance to the Lenovo, and I will be gaming just fine in a few minutes, maybe, hopefully. Alright. Got it here. And there's gotta be more in the box than just the laptop. Charger. Take that out. Warranty information. And I wanted to thank my sponsor, undisclosed person, that donated me this laptop for this video. Alright, here it is. I'm gonna open it up here. I guess you guys get the good view where I don't get to see on the inside, but alright, looks like it's got a screen protector on it. We'll take that off. And here it is. Let's see if it turns on. I think it needs to be charged. Alright. We'll have to charge it. Get that out of here. Alright. Charger is very long, which is nice. Alright, turn it on. Guess it was dead. It's been sitting for a while, he said. Alright, we'll go over the specs here, and let me read them off to you. Alright, we got an AMD Ryzen 7 2.9 gigahertz, I believe it's a 6 core, and a 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a 512 gigabyte SSD. GTX 1660 Ti, and it has a 15-inch screen, and also the screen has 144 Hertz, so it's your best laptop for gaming. You're gonna not lose a frame per second at all with this thing. Alright, here it is, up close and personal. The ports are all on the back, which is very interesting. It's nice to not have a mouse plugged in on the side and then run into your USB port when you're playing a game. Woohoo! We got it turned on here. And just got to get it updated, get the games installed, and then we will test this bad boy out. Alright, we got it going here on Ark Survival Evolved, and it looks like the frames per second says about 152 up there, and I'm just viewing everything. I'm not really playing, but it looks beautiful. Everything's on epic highest settings. Best gaming laptop to own. Woohoo! Worth it. This laptop is worth it. Alright, got a battery here. It's 389 mAh, so it's kind of small battery. And then I put a 2 terabyte hard disk drive in, and it has a 500 gig NVMe over here, but you can decide if you want another NVMe, if you wanted to add one here instead of the hard disk drive. The RAM is right here, CPUs, everything's right here, graphics card is probably right there. Anyways, this thing is a beast, and thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe.